Hello and welcome to this HotWorks training course. Poorly managed tasks involving equipment like welders or grinders, often referred to as hot work, frequently lead to fatalities, major injuries, and serious damage to property and businesses. It is important that the hazardous nature of these activities is understood, and that suitable precautions are taken to reduce the risks. To ensure your safety, a risk assessment will have been conducted for any hot work tasks that you will perform. This is a process of identifying what could go wrong, and ensuring that there are suitable precautions in place. It is important that you understand any risk assessments that affect your work and what is expected of you to work safely. And so in this program, we will explore what is meant by hot work, how hot works accidents occur, and the safety principles that you must put into practice in order to work safely, in the following sections. What is hot work? How do hot work accidents occur? Avoiding hot work where possible. Guarding against fire and explosion. Work equipment condition and use. Protecting yourself and other persons. And ensuring emergency measures are in place.